We had a farm. While you noise in background, I wanted to show you our new cages. Because last time I did not show you the new cages, so they are like this. This is how they look like, and these are the new birds. Nasimayo balageza ali mu brooder katizo zatandika nadda okubiika, so we are bringing new ones, okay? So this is how they are. So most of you are asking me, kalimbwe tumukola butya. Now these ones tuyina provision ya mirundi esatu. Tuyina wano wezibeera, wano waliwo amazzi, zinywera kuno ina amazzi, and then here they feed from here, from this, and then down here this is where they step, and then here kalimbu wezipama ayitamu najja waneno. So literally we just remove this, clean it, and then put it back. So it means waneno gena sigala nga eli clear nga teyinaawo kalimbwe nga nyonjo. I don't know why they want my nails. But yeah, that is it, literally. I don't know whether you have another question. Now is Monji. I think I will just do a sit down. They look so nice and they are calm. These ones are so calm compared to the previous one that we laid off. These ones are so calm. Yeah. Let me show you how they drink water. Oh, it was drinking. I'll show you. Are you seeing that? I don't want to scare it. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? Let me just zoom in. That is how they take water. Chino chijeyo mutwe. Literally, that's how they take water. Ekona bukonya amazi ne gajja sagasigadde gajja kuneeno, and they can take it. This is a clear demonstration of how they take water. You see? I know why they're acting like they are hungry. They are not. Literally, they are not hungry. But they're just acting hungry.